So, with the year coming to an end, one of the best report that is included in the business intelligence reporting tool that WM Tech offers is the statements report. So, in this report, it will show you data um, or the gifts given by each household. You can filter it by the year or filter it by these other parameters. You can also export this list as a CSV or a PDF. Now, how the export works is that whatever data is shown on this grid is what's going to be exported. So, for example, if you're wanting to export a specific household, then you would have to filter it by the household name first, apply the filter, and then export it through CSV or PDF. If you're planning on exporting the whole data in this grid, for example, for this case, it's 472 records, you can just export this to PDF. And what it will do is it will provide you a file, a PDF file, with all of these households in it. And it's just going to be one PDF. So you can just print that one PDF file and then mail those PDFs to the each households. Um, Now, with the PDF export, before you can have this available in your report, you would need to set this up first. And where you're going to set that up is in the PDF templates component in the admin side. So if I click on that, you're going to see there's two tabs: the template units and the PDF templates. So first, you're going to configure the template units. The template units is basically the body of the report or the sections of your report. For example, of your PDF. I'm sorry. So for example, if I go into the year-end giving statement um, template unit, if I double click on it, you're going to see that this is the body of my PDF, and it's going to be laid like this. So you're going to have the household name, or basically the donor's information, the wordings, the grid with all the amount and the designations, and it's using the variables available in that report. So now that you have the template unit, next is you're going to configure the PDF template. So if I right click on the year end statements and click on edit, you're going to see that this PDF is using the statements report. It's active, meaning it will show up on the dashboard. And then it's set up so it prints using an A4 paper size. If I right click and click manage template pages, this is where you can actually add more pages to that PDF. So you can have different reports or multiple reports within one PDF. So for this case, it's only it's only using one page. So if I double click on it, you're going to see that this is how it's going to show up. So one page with all of the template units that we have. Within here, you can see that it is configured to have the header, which is going to be this, and it's a different or a separate template unit. It also has the footer, which is also a different or a separate template unit. And this is how it's going to show up if you print it from the dashboard.